Your design is ready. Now let's get it out into the world. Once your email is all set and ready to go, you can send a test email to your own inbox to make sure it looks exactly how you want it to. Click the Send Test button and then Send Now. Once you're ready, you can click the Export button to send the email with Flodesk, or you can export it as HTML and upload into the ESP of your choice. Let's walk through the Send with Flodesk option. When you click on this, you'll be asked to connect your Flodesk account. Then you'll be able to check out the email in flodesk.com. The email will import over as one large block. However, it will not send as one large block. To edit this email, click on it, and over here in the right-hand panel, there's an Edit in Studio button. Any changes to this email will need to be made in Flodesk Studio. Go ahead and make those changes. Click on Export, and then Update to Flodesk to update the email. Once you're ready to go, on the Flodesk side, go ahead and click Next and continue your send flow like normal. Let's jump back over to Studio to export this email for other ESPs. To do so, click on Export and then Download HTML or Copy HTML. The file will begin downloading, where you can then upload it to the ESP of your choice.